Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Staci and I make videos on fashion, styling, and shopping. So here we are with another haul. This is a luxury haul. It's going to be super short. I have two footwear items actually, that I have to show you today that I've gotten over the past, I guess over the course of the week or so. I have not opened them. I've just opened the box so that I wouldn't be, fumbling with it on camera, but this is going to be my first look at it with you guys. So let's get started on that. This is from Zara. It's like a little shoulder pad knitted top. I got this maybe back in like August or September. This is super old. It's probably older than that. And this little jean skirts. I may insert a picture. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, that's it. It's super simple. I mean, I'm in the house, bored in the house, and the house bored. So, all right, let's get started. So the first item that I have is from Chloe. I must have been eyeing it for several months now because I think Chloe kind of came on my algorithm on like Instagram. I've been sort of researching the Faye Chloe bag, really from Fashion File, and I think that's probably why my algorithm kind of put Chloe on the map for me. But so I've really been kind of stalking the Chloe site for a long time. I really do like that Chloe Faye bag, and I've seen it on Fashion File for a relatively inexpensive price. I just haven't really pulled the trigger on it. So I guess because I've really been doing a lot of Chloe searches, it came up on my algorithm on Instagram, and there's this boot, and I was like, this boot was like $4.95, and I'm like, wait a minute, it was like a black boot. And I was like, since when are Chloe boots only $500? Because that Susanna Chloe boot's like what, $1,300, $1,400? I was like, wait, what? But upon closer inspection, I realized that it was a rubber boot. And you guys know that the whole rubber boot trend is here. It's here to stay. It's not going anywhere. I'm going to insert pictures of me with wearing a rubber boot I got from Zara. I just think the look is completely cool. So I was like, oh, a rubber boot. Okay. So I just didn't know if I wanted to pull the trigger on it. Other people are really doing like this whole like rubberized trend. Bottega has like this really ugly rubber shoe that's really popular right now. I think it's called like the putty shoe, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And that's I think that's like $650. But I was like, yeah, I don't like that one. But this one looks like a real boot. Like, I love it. So I was like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and just bless myself during my birthday month. So I did. So let's just get started on the unboxing. So it comes in this box here. There's actually paper, like almost like wrapping paper here. So that's kind of interesting. So that's weird. All this paper. I guess I wanted to kind of fill the space up here. But yeah, so it's just a box here. And here is the box. It's a white box. I don't have anything Chloe, honestly. Not one thing. So this will be my first introduction into the brand. It comes with, it's packed quite nicely with these two dust bags. I don't know if you guys can see that. All right, and then so let me remove this. And then it comes wrapped like this. Okay, so initially I wasn't gonna get the boot because it was the one that I had seen was a black boot. I'm like, I have way too many like black boots, so I'm not gonna do black. But when I saw this color, I fell in love, and I also like saw different people styling this boot, and I was just like, this is insane. This is look at how beautiful this boot is. This boot is good. It has sort of like a squared off toe here, kind of more of a rounded square toe. It's not like a duck square toe, but I think it's still super chic and not too bulky, or I would say or polarizing for the most part. It's like in this more or less, I don't know what color this is. It's called Nomad Beige. The boot itself is called the Betty boot. So it's the Betty boot in Nomad Beige. It has a little pull tab here, and it has the Chloe branding here, which I think is really cute. It has branding on this little zipper pull here. It also has branding here as well that's etched into the boots. But yeah, it's monochromatic, which I love. It's so neutral. And I'm actually probably going to style this boot with what I have on today. So stay tuned for that. I probably will insert a picture. But yeah, it's really nice. Like, I love this boot a lot. So yeah, I've been really thinking about it for a while, and I actually wasn't going to get the boot because initially I only seen like the black boots, and I was like, I'm not gonna just spend that much money on that when I already have so many like shorter black boots anyway. But this color sold me, and I think this was a newer release color because this color was not available. But yeah, so it just kind of zips up here, fairly easy zip. I need to try these on. I got these in a size 38, I believe. Yeah, it's size 38. I mean, that's my normal size in European sizes, so I should be fine on that one. It doesn't appear that it would be an issue. But actually, let me try them on, because if this is an unboxing review, then you guys need to know if they actually do work for me. So I will do that. Oh yeah, they're fine. They're fine. I actually have some room up here. They are really cute. Like they're cute. They're cute, guys. They're so cute. Oh, I cannot wait to wear these boots. But yeah, I really like these because even though they're like rubber boots, I mean, the rubber boots, again, rubber boots and trend, those types of trends are really in right now. Obviously, you can wear them in the rain, so they're very versatile that way. And yeah, and I got that colorway because I just thought it was very different. And most of the people that I've seen were wearing like the black one. I have a lot of black boots anyway, so I figured that going with a boot that color, which I do not have, you know, made perfect sense for me. So let's get on to the next one. I think I told you guys that did I tell you? I don't even think I told you. I think I told you I was expecting something from Chloe, and I said I was expecting another package from Essence, and this came from Essence. This was in the sale. This was a shoe that this shoe has been on my list, on my wish list for probably a year, if not longer. I just could not spend the $600 on the sneaker. I couldn't, you know, because that's how much they cost normally, at least. Between, I think maybe, I guess it depends on like what versions you get of it, but I think the average price is about $600. I just wasn't going to do that for a pair of sneakers, even though I kind of paid the same amount for the Gucci ones. I think I still end up spending only like maybe $300 or $400 on those Gucci ones that I got from DSW. But this one I ended up getting for about half that. It was like maybe $350, something like that. It was in the Essence sale. It is a sneaker, as I said earlier. As you can see, it is Alexander McQueen. You guys can probably guess which sneaker this is. I just couldn't get it. I just couldn't. It was in my size. I felt like it was very much a sign from the Lord above that it was meant for me to have them, since I was able to get them at such a good price. And again, here's the box here. It's a very sturdy, heavy box. No, nothing. It's my iPad. Here it does. It does come wrapped here, and these are the Oversized sneakers by Alexander McQueen. These are so cute. I love these. Initially, I wasn't going to get them because I was like, you know what? They really are. They do look a lot like the Stan Smiths from Adidas, and they do. But these are definitely a chunkier version. I love the midsole. Like, I love me a good chunky, like more of a platform midsole. And I just think they're really cute. I just do. I've always thought these were really cute. I just was never going to pay the amount that they really wanted for them. And so Essence had a ton of different colorways on sale. So you know what? I grabbed a pair. I did fall in love with this one here. It's more of a metallic-y, almost more of a pinkish, purplish tone. But it's very subtle. It's very neutral. So I can style this with pretty much anything. I mean, you guys have probably seen a bunch of Alexander McQueen oversized sneaker unboxings. This is not anything new, but I will go over the details of the shoe. It has a branding here on this tongue here on the back of the shoe. It has a branding here as well. Obviously, it's a chunky midsole. It has thicker white laces here. Here is the outsole, and it has a branding in the middle of the outsole right here. Yeah, this is really cute. And I actually got this in the 37.5. I don't know. I'm going to try them on right now because that was the other thing. Like, some people said that they ran big. Some people said that they ran small. I mean, it was a mixed bag of everything. I literally just was like, I don't know what size to wear. I'm normally a 37. I'm probably a 7.5 in most things. Some sneakers I'm a 7, but for the most part, I'm a 7.5. So I said, let me just do a 37.5 because normally whenever you're buying European sizes, it's not, a lot of times it's not a half size. It usually goes from like either 37 to 38. 37 is usually 6.5, and then 37 is usually 6.5, and 38 is usually a 7.5. There's normally not a 37.5, but that's what this one is. So I figured I'd kind of be somewhere in the middle, and it should be fine. So let me try it on right now. Oh yeah, these are fine. Now I do have a little bit of room, so thank God, because I was like, did not want to have to send these back because these came from Canada, and you know, because the Chloe boots I could also take back to the store because we do have a Chloe store in the Galleria. But that's the other thing too. A lot of times when I am like trying to buy something that's like a shoe or something like that, that I'm not used to the sizes of it, I have to think about it really long and hard because the return process can be arduous, and I'm just not a person that has a lot of patience for that. But no, I would say this is a win. Both of these boots fit. One of them I did not get on sale, but I still thought that for what it is, I thought it was actually a really good price to be able to wear a pair of like Chloe boots that's in style, that's really current for $500. This was like, this is like maybe $343 or that's what's in my head, like $323, $343. I don't remember, but it was definitely in the 300 range. So I'm really happy with this pickup here. It fits in my size. I don't have to worry about any type of returns, and I cannot wait to wear and style these shoes. So that's all. I do have some more things coming. Actually, I'm going to have a Walmart haul for y'all. I actually hauled some stuff. It's not here yet. It'll be here maybe Monday or Tuesday. But I hauled some Walmart things from that new Scoop line. Oh yes, I sure did. So we're going to see about that because I'm really interested to see like what the quality is. I got a few pieces that were actually on sale, so I didn't spend too much money on that one. I think each piece was under $20, even though I do think that their normal prices are above that. So I just wanted to kind of see. I'm very curious. So we're going to do that. I do have a couple of other things coming from Zara. Those are shoes. Those are mainly pack away shoes. Like I bought a pair of like really like dressy, like rhinestone type heels, just to kind of pack away for next year, because you guys know I'm not doing any going out right now. You know what I'm saying? So I got that, and then also there's something else coming. Oh, I have a pair of boots coming from Moda Operandi. Moda Operandi, their shipping is atrocious. It's no reason in the world. And as much as that boot was, I mean, granted, I got a great deal on it, but it's still like a high-end boot. It wasn't like a cheap $20 item. That thing, I mean, I think I'm going to get it maybe Wednesday. And I still have to pay shipping for it. So it's not like the shipping was even free. So I don't know about that. I feel like Moda Operandi, I think that might be just a good place to kind of go if you're looking for something that's off the runway, because that's one of those places where you're able to like reserve it for like half the price, because they do a ton of pre-sale. So I mean, that it could be okay, but as far as the shipping goes, like when comparing that to like any other place, honestly, whether it be Net-a-Porter, Farfetch, Essence, Revolve, Shopbop, I mean, their shipping is not that good. So I'm not really impressed. It took as long as it's taking, because I've gotten everything else within a matter of a few days, like honestly. And like, for example, that Chloe shipped, it was free, and it shipped within a few days. This one was free. I had 2 packages from Essence that shipped within 2 to 3 days. So I don't know, motor operandi, that stuff is that's actually if it's not US based, it was at least shipped here, and I actually think it is US based. So I don't know why we're having these issues, but anyway, so I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna do some styling videos. I have a styling video coming up for you, and I still have part 2 of my other what I got for Christmas. So I think I'm gonna post this one today, and then that one will probably be posted maybe sometime midweek, and then you'll get a couple of other videos in between time. So you're gonna get this content from me, people. You're gonna get this content because I'm off and I have some time on my hands. So you guys, please enjoy the rest of your day. I really hope that you guys had a very good holiday, a good Christmas if you celebrate it, and also a good New Year's. And please, we are going into a new season, a new year. I am claiming all the good things in 2021. 2020 is behind us. It's in the rearview mirror. So let's just move forward and do great things in the new year. So talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.